Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg sandwich toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 fresh eggs, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget your salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you love, like a pinch of garlic powder or a dash of hot sauce. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a spatula handy for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get those eggs cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, trying to keep them slightly separated. Immediately season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground pepper. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set but the yolks are still a bit runny. With your eggs perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble our delicious sandwich. If you like, lightly toast your bread beforehand for extra crunch. Carefully place 1 cooked egg onto 1 slice of bread. This is also a great time to add a slice of cheese, some fresh chives, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Then, gently place the 2nd slice of bread on top, creating a delightful, warm sandwich. And there you have it, your homemade egg sandwich toast is ready. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still warm and the yolk is perfectly gooey. You can cut it in half diagonally for a classic diner look, which also makes it easier to eat. This simple yet satisfying meal is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a quick lunch. Enjoy every delicious bite of your freshly made creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.